Hey everyone, my name is Khushbu and today I will be explaining about data link layer. So data link layer is one of the layer in OSI model. It takes some responsibilities of sending data from one destination to another. So data link layer receives its data from network layer and then it sends the data to physical layer and then the network data is sent to uh, other destinations. So there are some responsibilities that it takes, and the first responsibility is sending hope to hope or node to node, hope to hope or node to node. So here, instead of sending a data from A1 to B4 directly, what it does is first it will send the data to R1, that is the first router, and this router sends the data to the second router, or there may be some other routers also. It need not be only two routers, like there may be many routers here and there. So now from R2 it will send to B4. So as you can see, it is hopping from one router to another and then finally sending it to its destination, that is B4. So, like if we say that if two networks wants to communicate within the LAN itself, so instead of using some other layer like application layer or net transport layer, with the help of data link layer itself, the two networks can communicate within one LAN. So they do that with the help of physical layer or MAC address. So the second responsibility that it takes is flow control. So as you must have observed that when your gallery is filled with too many pictures, so what you usually do is you delete some pictures to make some space. Even here, it's something similar happens. So if A1 is sending data to R1 at a very high speed and R1 is not capable of receiving data at that particular speed, so there are some methods which helps to control the flow or control the speed. So the first one is stop and wait protocol. Stop and wait protocol. Second one is go back and protocol, and the third one is selective repeat. Selective repeat. So these are the three protocols that are being followed to uh, control the flow or the speed of the messages that are being sent. So we will be learning about them in the further videos. As of now, I am just explaining the basics. So now the next one is error control. So third responsibility is error control. Error control. Now, for example, if A1 is sending 11001 as the data, but B1 receives 11011 as the data. So as you can see, there is a change of bit. So it means that's a error over here. So in like unlike other layers, instead of receiving the error at B4 or getting to know that this message carries an error, we will get to know that there is some error at the first router itself. It happens with the help of hope to hope delivery, or we can get to know about the error at the second router or third router or at the nth router also. So there are some methods like CRC method, checksum method. Also there are many more, but particularly we use CRC method, and the full form of CRC method is cyclic redundancy check. So we basically use CRC method in this. Now the fourth one is access control. Access control. For example, here in network B, all the devices are connected through one medium, as you can see. So we are using bus topology here. Bus topology. So if I'm sending a data from A1, A4, A3 or A2, all the devices here are capable of receiving that message and giving a reply. But it will lead to a confusion, or it may cause a traffic or more of errors. So instead of giving the message to all the networks, we will give a access control to one particular device that will receive the data, and it will reply back to A1 or the network A. So this will help to reduce the errors that may be caused or the traffic flow. So I hope you understood about this network layer clearly. If you have any doubt, please comment below, share, subscribe, and like my video. Thank you.